I greet you all in Jesus' mighty name. This morning I want to share with you the book of Micah, chapter 7 and verse 6. The Bible says, the last bit of a part, it says, a man's enemies are the men of his own household. My brother, my sister, the hardest place to be a Christian is in your own household, your family, your parents, your relatives. It says in Matthew chapter 10:36, Jesus speaking here, and a man's enemies will be those of his own household. Brother and sister, that's the hardest place to be a Christian, is in your family. My brother and my sister, your family will disown you. Your parents will disown you. That is the hardest place to be a Christian. It says in Psalm chapter 41 verse 9, even my own familiar friend in whom I trusted, who ate my bread, has lifted up his heel against me. Even your familiar friend. You will lose friends, my brother, my sister, when you are a Christian. Those friends who are not Christians will disown you because of why? You are no longer doing the things that you used to do. My brother, my sister, Jesus Christ lost his own disciples. Even his own disciples disowned him. Even his own disciples forsook him and fled, my brother and my sister. It says in Job chapter 19 and verse 14, says, my relatives have failed and my close friends have forgotten me. Your close friends will even forget you, my brother and my sister. Verse 15 says, those who dwell in my house and my maidservants count me as a stranger. I'm an alien in their sight. Oh, my brother, my sister, you must know this morning that you are going to lose a lot of people when you are a Christian, even in your own household. Verse 19 says, all my close friends abhor me, and those whom I love have turned against me. Oh, my brother, my sister, to follow Jesus Christ is not easy. It's a narrow road. You must know this morning that you are going to lose a lot of people in your life when you become a Christian. Why? Because you're no longer living for this world. You're no longer doing the things of this world. I do not know who needs to hear this message this morning, but you're probably going through the same thing. Jesus understands, my brother and my sister, what you are going through, because he went through it himself. He lost all his disciples when he was arrested. Oh, my brother and my sister, stand for Jesus.